Hi Mark, I want to thank you for sending in your samples for us to test on the Clicker 1500 press. I've got a 4-inch forged die here. I'm going to go ahead and use it on your materials so you see what happens here. I did a couple of quick tests before. It looks like it's going to work out pretty good. This is your 29.5 mil PLA. I'm going to go ahead and set one right down on top of here like this. We'll slide it in. Cuts out just that quickly. With the forged die, you can pop it right out the top. It just comes right out through the top edge there. I'll do it one more time for you. Show you how the cut is. And again, you just take and you push it right up through the top. It comes right out, no problem. Alright, now that is the 29 mil. And you sent me several samples, so I'm guessing you want to do multiples. I'm going to try to do 5 sheets with this type of material here. We'll see what we can do as far as getting it cut for you. Let's stack them up. I'll put it down on here. Slide it in. See the results. When you get that many brittle pieces in there, it wants to crack. It explodes it out. Although the pieces that were cut came out, and you can get all 5 pieces. But it does make the edges stick together as it cuts through. So I don't recommend you doing 5 at a time with that. That would be a result of that. Okay, we'll do your 55 mil now. I did a quick cut with that earlier. It did cut pretty good. I'll show you again how it works. Set it down on top, slide it in. Cuts right out. So that's your 55 mil. Now this is a little bit thicker, and I don't recommend doing multiples of that either. Alright, now here is your 25.6 millimeter. Go ahead and do another test on this to show you what it's like. Slide that in. As you can see, it cuts out cleanly and perfectly with one at a time. Do one more here for you. Doesn't look like we're going to get another one out of there. So we'll do those 2. Okay, that one's done, this one's done, and we're going to go ahead and do your other 35, 1.4 mil right here. Looks like you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers of that here. And there's 6 layers of this. Now this might be okay to do. We'll go ahead and see what we can get done. Get everything lined up here. Set it down on the paper, on the film. Slide it in. And as you can see, it cuts out all the layers. You may not get the correct edges that you want by doing that many at a time. I'm going to go ahead and do 1 layer to see if that makes a difference on the edge quality. not going to do much for the edge quality on that. Still leaves it a little bit raveled. So that one we'll keep together. And we'll go ahead and do the 12 mil. We'll do one piece of their 12 mil here. Doesn't want to cut well with this material here. Looks like it's going to be a little bit harder to break apart. So what I'll do, do a little bit more dwell time on here. See what that does. That did a little bit better, but as you can see, still doesn't want to cut completely out. Well, that was the 12 mil. Now we've tested all the samples, so I'll go ahead and send you this video over, and then I'll give you a call and we'll discuss it. Thank you.